Hello friends, welcome to Rio's Time.
The Lost Puppy. One day, Tom went to the park with his sister. He took a ball and she carried a basket of snacks. While they were playing, a small puppy ran up to them. It wagged its tail and licked Tom's hand. "Where is your owner?" Tom asked the puppy, but it just barked and sat near him. They looked around but couldn't find anyone. "Let's take it home and care for it," his sister said. When the mother saw the puppy, she smiled. "It looks like it has found a new family," she said. From that day on, the puppy lived happily with them, and they named it Lucky.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.